Good everyone, today is June 23 for our daily devotion. Our topic is entitled God gives the ability to produce wealth. The phrase is Deuteronomy 8:17-18. Kung kayo'y namumuhay na nang sagana nakatira na sa magandang bahay at maraming nangalagang hayop at marami ng naipong pilak at ginto, huwag kayong magmalaki. Huwag niyong kalimutan siya ang magpalaya sa inyo mula sa pagkaalipin sa bayang Ehipto. Verse 7, verse 12-19. Siya ang patnubay niyo sa lawak at tahatak. Sa talakdan, wala kayong mainom, magpukal siyang tubig sa isang malaking bato. Kayo pinakain niya roon ng mana sa pagkain hindi niya kilala. Niranas niya kayo ang hirap para kayo subukan at turuang magpakumbaba. Lahat ay kakabuti niyo, kaya huwag niyo isipin ang kayamanan ninyo, bunga ang sarili lakas at kakayod. Subalit, lalong si Yahweh na inindos ang magbibigay ng lakas upang yumaman, kaya ginawa niya ito bilang pagtupad niya sa protection at pride comes for our downfall. Don't let pride to overrun our life, because it will make us our downfall. As long as we have a great pride, we can do things, or we can move forward on things. Our talent is largely from the Lord. Therefore, we shouldn't proclaim that it is because of our own self, but say that it was because from the gifts of the Lord. Our power to create wealth comes from the Lord, because He gives us the power to have skills and knowledge for us to produce the wealth. For our application, remember not to take the glory that belongs to God. Remember that all things that happen to us, all good things, is because to glorify Him. Recognize that all good things come from God. All good things comes from Him. Always remember that, because He is the one who made those things good for us to have in our life. Rely on God for the capacity to create. Must rely on Him, because He is the only one who create the wealth that glorify Him, not to dishonor Him.